gonna camp at night and you've got the river flowing by you and you're just looking up at the ridge line as it's getting dark, the stars behind it, or you see the moon coming up. And also the view where you're looking, you got a stretch of the river that's straight and you're looking downriver and you see all the mountains in the distance.
It's just not about the river. There's certainly some stuff to see on the side. You know, if you can go up to Mule Creek or Tate Creek, it's almost like you're going to Jurassic Park, where the trees are so big and the leaves on the foliage is pretty neat, big rocks.
It's just invigorating. It's a one-of-a-kind experience, you know. The pictures, the videos, those will show you what it's like. But you got to be in it. You got to be in the action. You got to be going through the whitewater. You have to get in there. You have to do it.
If you ever came here, I think you would have a blast. It is so awesome.